This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Paul Manaltowski. Bring all offers. This could be someone's new home by the end of the weekend. Discover effortless coastal luxury in this pristine, like new 2024 built pool home with Gulf access. Skip the headaches of renovations, older home insurance costs, and construction delays. This turnkey gem lets you start living the Florida dream today. Notably, the same model home built by the same builder is currently being marketed between $899,000 and $1.1 million, confirming this listing represents the best deal. Step through elegant double front doors with impact-rated glass into an open-concept haven featuring soaring ceilings, stunning tray details throughout, and porcelain tile flooring. The flexible front den, with privacy doors, is ideal for a home office, media room, or guest retreat. The gourmet kitchen steals the show: exquisite cabinetry, sleek granite countertops, a massive island perfect for gatherings, and stainless steel appliances. A dedicated laundry room nearby adds convenience with extra storage, a sink, and pantry space. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite, your private oasis with a spa-like walk-in shower, dual heads, dual vanities, and generous dual walk-in closets. Sliding glass doors open directly to the lanai for serene mornings or starlit evenings. 2 additional bedrooms share a stylish bathroom with easy pool access, while 3 sets of hurricane impact sliding doors blur the lines between indoors and out. Enjoy your expansive screened lanai with a heated pool and tranquil canal views, pre-plumbed for your future outdoor kitchen. Boating enthusiasts will love the one bridge to open water, fully functional with a concrete dock, seawall, pilings, and captain's walk. Enjoy the waterfront lifestyle immediately without compromise. Some extras include a whole house reverse osmosis system, generator inlet for whole house emergency backup power, full perimeter gutters, automatic irrigation, high efficiency pool heater, professional landscaping, and a fenced yard for privacy. The oversized 3-car garage boasts an epoxy floor and an extra deep third bay, perfect for toys, workshop, or storage. Wow! This listing keeps getting better. Location, location, location. Just steps from the all-new Crystal Lake Park with a sandy beach, public boat ramp, walking path, exercise stations, and more. Don't miss your chance to embrace Cape Coral living at its finest. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul.